Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pasta salad using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 12 ounces of your favorite pasta, like rotini or penne. We'll also use fresh vegetables, such as 1 cup of chopped bell peppers and 1/2 cup of red onion. Don't forget a delicious dressing to tie it all together. This simple approach ensures a tasty dish every time. Once your water is boiling, add about 12 ounces of pasta and cook it until it's perfectly al dente, usually around 8 to 10 minutes. After cooking, drain the pasta and rinse it thoroughly with cold water. This step is crucial to prevent it from becoming mushy and to cool it down quickly. While the pasta cools, chop your fresh vegetables, like 1 cup of cherry tomatoes and 1/2 cup of crisp cucumber, into bite-sized pieces. Now for the fun part, assembling your salad. In a large bowl, combine the cooled pasta with all your chopped vegetables, including the bell peppers, red onion, tomatoes, and cucumber. Next, pour about 1 cup of your favorite Italian or vinaigrette dressing over the mixture. Gently toss everything together until every piece of pasta and vegetable is evenly coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. To allow the flavors to meld beautifully, cover your pasta salad and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time makes a significant difference in taste and texture. Before serving, give it another quick toss and consider garnishing with 1/4 cup of fresh parsley or some grated Parmesan cheese. It's a perfect dish for picnics or a quick weeknight meal. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.